It's not easy being a bunny. Fat Cat Books. Please subscribe and press the bell.
It's not easy being a bunny. By Marilyn Sadler, illustrated by Roger Bollen. Read by Teacher Mike. PJ Funny Bunny was very sad. He did not like being a bunny. Oh. His mother made him eat cooked carrots every day. Oh, carrots again. He had far too many brothers and sisters. You're pushing me! Stop it! That's mine! Ugh, so noisy. And his ears were very big. One day, PJ decided to leave home. I don't want to be a bunny anymore, said PJ. I want to be a bear. And PJ went to live with the bears.
Come with us, PJ. We'll show you how to be a bear.
Yeah, it's lots of fun. Yeah! Now, what do bears like to do? You can sleep over. They like to sleep. But when the bears went to sleep for the winter, PJ could not sleep at all. Living with the bears was not very exciting. So PJ said, I don't want to be a bear. I want to be a bird. And so PJ went to live with the birds. Come with us. We'll show you how to be a bird. What do birds like to do? Birds like to fly. PJ liked being a bird until he tried to fly. He can't fly. Well, those birds aren't very nice. So PJ said, I don't want to be a bear or a bird. I want to be a beaver. And PJ went to live with the beavers.
Come with us. We'll show you how to be a beaver. Yeah, it's lots of fun.
What do beavers like doing? They like making their home out of wood. The beavers like to work very hard. PJ did not like to work at all. So PJ said, I don't want to be a bear or a bird or a beaver. I want to be a pig. And PJ went to live with the pigs.
Come with us, PJ. We'll show you how to be a pig.
What do pigs like to do? Oh, that's right. Pigs love to bathe in mud. But the only thing pigs like to do was sit in the mud. Oh, this isn't for me.
Poor PJ.
So PJ said, I don't want to be a bear, or a bird, or a beaver, or a pig. I want to be a moose. And PJ went to live with the moose.
What do you call more than one moose?
You know, it's 2 bunnies and 1 bunny. Is it 2 mooses?
No. We just say 1 moose, 2 moose, 3 moose. Just moose.
Oh, okay.
Let us moose show you what it's like to be a moose.
What do moose like to do?
Mook! Mook!
Ah, moose like to cool. Moo. But PJ could not make good moose calls. Mook! Oh, bother. I can't do it. So PJ said, I don't want to be a bear, or a bird, or a beaver, or a pig, or a moose. I want to be a possum. And PJ went to live with the possums. Come with us. We'll show you how to be a possum. What do possums like to do? The possums liked to hang upside down. But hanging upside down gave PJ a headache. Oh, my head. So PJ said, I don't want to be a bear, or a bird, or a beaver, or a pig, or a moose, or a possum. I want to be a skunk. And PJ went to live with the skunks. Oh, okay, PJ. Are you sure you want to live with us? We'll show you how to be a skunk. Yes, we'll show you. What do skunks like to do? It did not take PJ very long to find out that he did not like living with the skunks. Oh, so smelly. Oh. So PJ said, I don't want to be a bear, or a bird, or a beaver, or a pig, or a moose, or a possum, or, most of all, a skunk. What I really want to be is a bunny. So PJ hurried home. The funny bunnies were very happy to see him. Hello, PJ! You're back! PJ was very happy to see them. Hello, guys, I'm back. I missed you all so much. That night, PJ ate all of his cooked carrots. Carrots. I miss them so much. And played with every one of his brothers and sisters. Get the ball! Oh, it's coming to me! He was so happy to be a bunny again that he did not care that his ears were very big. At least everyone can see that I'm a bunny, PJ said, and not a bear, or a bird, or a beaver, or a pig, or a moose, or a possum, or a skunk. Ugh. PJ lived a happy life with his bunny friends, reading books and playing board games. What game are they playing? It looks like Ludo. I hope you really enjoyed reading the story. Do you remember what the animals are in the story? See if you can name them all.
See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Learning can be fun. Go to fatcatbucks.uk to get your free Easter.
You get an animal alphabet poster, along with a letter and animal pronunciation tutorial video hosted by me, Mr. Mike. You can hang this vibrant poster in your classroom or playroom to help your little ones remember each letter alongside an adorable animal illustration. Make learning animals and the letters much easier with the Animal Alphabet Trace, Match and Sort flashcards. It's the perfect tool for helping young learners learn the names of a range of animals. Discover 85 cute animals. These creatures are sure to spark curiosity. Our visual image leaves a lasting impression. Our flashcards provide cute, vibrant cartoon pictures and real-life photos. The cute cartoons will grab their attention, while the real-life photos give a more memorable context. The real-life flashcards include 3 to 4 photos of animals in their natural habitat. Also, both types of cards provide an easy-to-follow tracing stroke instructions for the first letter of the animal in both uppercase and lowercase forms, as well as tracing for the whole name of the animal. Our animal alphabet colouring worksheets spark creativity. Each page features a wacky letter that looks like the animal that starts with that letter. From A to adorable alligator to Z for zippy zebra. It includes both uppercase and lowercase letters to let your little artists colour their way through the alphabet while reinforcing the letter recognition.
Get it now at fatcatbucks.uk.